everyone, welcome back to another video. This is this week's Charlie's Nail Art collab and the theme is nature / autumn. I've already done the base colour, which is DC Glam DC from Madam Glam, and this is Charlie's Nail Art Chameleon Glitter, which is copper to green. Absolutely stunning, I love it. So I've gone over with a bit of base coat as well, and I'm just basically plonking the glitter on into some kind of circle, and then we're going to cure that, and I'm going to go in with some decals. The decals today are from Nail Sugar. Can't take any credit for this design or this particular one that I'm doing now, because I've seen both Natalie Mugridge and Karen do the same, so using different glitter, but here we are. This is what I'm doing. It's absolutely brilliant, I love it. So I will speed this along a little bit and let you watch. So this is a tree silhouette decal. I'm just using the stamping method, tapping that with some water, leave it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and that'll be ready to plonk on the nail. Just dabbing off some excess water, and I'm going to place that and stamp it on over that glitter. It's hard to see at the moment, but all these nails are going to be matte, and it will stand out a lot more as soon as we've matted them. I'm just patting it down a little bit and just removing any creases. And then when I'm happy, we can go in with the matte top coat. The matte top coat today I'm using from Born Pretty. So the next lot of decals I'm using are these branches here. Again, this is still from the silhouette decals from Nail Sugar. Cut around those, and again use the stamping method as well. So I will speed this up a little bit. I'm also cutting out a couple of little birdies as well, and we're going to place these on the edge of those branches. They look super cute. I just thought I'd show you here how beautiful this looks. Oh, it just love it. Love this chameleon glitter. And don't forget, guys, I've got a discount code for Charlie's, and that is in my description below. If I remember, I'll pop it on the screen as well. Yeah, it's Kerrie 10. Go and get yourself some. She's got lots of different types of chameleon glitters, and I love all of them. I actually brought the collection. So here we go. Just going to stamp this on, just like so. I am going to use some of the glitter as well on the edges of the branches, just to make it pop a little bit. And then we're going to get them birdies on as well. So I will let you keep watching. I just got a bit of base coat on my palette, and I'm just rubbing my brush over. Don't need to go over the whole nail, just going to plonk a bit of glitter here and there on the edges of the branches. I did cut a bit of the footage out of this because I did go out of shot, but this is it, me going in there with the top coat. So on this nail, I've gone in with some base coat again, and I'm just doing a couple of lines, not straight lines, just wiggly lines with the glitter. And then we're going to go in again with some of the decals, just over the top. And then we're going to put a stag in the middle of this nail. These decals, they're just like a branch. And I'm just going to swap. I wish I'd have pulled it a little bit further down so you could see it a bit more, but I didn't. I went straight into the middle. And these ones didn't want to stick, so I ended up just using my tweezers to finish them off. I wish I'd have kind of just left it like that, just slightly off, instead of going straight over the top, because you can see them, but not as good as if they were just slightly off. Here I'm just going in with that stag, and then It was still a little bit wet, so I can just nudge it slightly more into the centre. And then that will have a matte top coat as well. And for the final nail, I am going in with a bit of base coat, some more glitter, and I'm going to stamp a leaf on this one and a bit more stamping on this one as well. So I'll let you watch. I'm sorry if I've not spoke much. I've got an annoying cough. I've been quite poorly, and I'm just left with this annoying cough. So yeah, hence why I've not really voiced over, because I keep having a coughing fit. So the stamping plate is the Mo You Fall in Love collection number 13. I've just pointed out which ones I'm picking up. So yeah, again, I will just let you watch. I have sped this up a bit, so don't want to bore you too much. Right guys, so we're coming up to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and please do like and subscribe if you've not already. Please leave a comment below. I'll always get back to you. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!